Mopresidente Cyril Ramaphosa o amogela gore bothata bja bjale bja kabo ya mohlagase bo tlo ba le khuetšo e mpe go kgolo ya ikonomi ya naga. O boletse se morago ga go kopana le mopresidente wa Western Sahara yo a leng mo go kgopela thekgo ya Afrika Borwa matsapeng a go hweletsa naga ya gabo tokologo. Mopresidente Ramaphosa o boletse le ka magato a boipelaetso a basomi ba Transnet a wa sharakantše go lenaneo la mosepelo wa dithuto.
We are working very hard on our own energy reforms, and we're working hard to lessen and finally eliminate the load shedding that South Africans have been subjected to. We're fully aware that this has brought a lot of hardship to the lives of our people, but at the same time has had a negative impact on our economy. We are concerned about the Transnet strike because Transnet is really the artery, the main artery of our economy, and the stoppage of work at Transnet impacts negatively on all sectors of our economy, and a continued strike could threaten jobs not only in Transnet but right across a number of sectors.